How to change custom notification sound on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get your custom notification sound for Snapchat notifications, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to get a custom notification sounds for Snapchat, it is very simple to do so, because all you have to do is of course just go ahead and then launch Snapchat, because remember that you need to have Snapchat Plus to enable this. So you can just open up Snapchat like this. Once you open up Snapchat, if you want to enable a custom notification sound for someone, then what you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, then go to Snapchat Plus features. Once you're here on the Snapchat Plus, here you can say custom notification sounds. Just make sure to tap on it, select the person for whom you want a custom sound, and once you select that, you can just play through all the sounds over here. Once you select all the sounds, you'll be able to actually receive the notification from that person based on your custom notification sounds. Yeah, that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically enable a custom notification sound for snaps on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.